They say companies either burn out or break through. Tesla's story reads like a laboratory experiment where every hypothesis was tested under fire, sometimes literally, until a new equilibrium emerged. In the early 2010s, Tesla faced what Elon Musk would call production hell: ambitious targets, fragile supply chains, and a manufacturing line that refused to behave. The company teetered between visionary breakthrough and catastrophic failure. At the heart of the turnaround were three intertwined forces: relentless grit from leadership and workers, a culture of engineering innovation, and an unexpected army of customers who became evangelists. Grit showed up as late nights on the factory floor, iterative problem-solving, and a willingness to accept short-term pain for long-term scaling. Managers who might have outsourced problems instead moved entire teams into the factory to fix issues in real time. That hands-on, almost obsessive approach narrowed the gap between design intent and reality. Innovation was not only about new batteries or software updates, it was about rethinking manufacturing itself. Tesla tore up the traditional handbook, introducing giant casting techniques, vertical integration of key components, and software-driven production monitoring. These were high-risk bets that yielded outsized gains in cycle time and quality. The company's engineers treated constraints as creative prompts, turning bottlenecks into opportunities for novel, mechanical, and organizational solutions. The third force was arguably the most human. Customers who didn't just buy cars, they joined a movement. Tesla owners became voluntary marketers, sharing range tests, charging hacks, and repair tips in forums and social media. Their advocacy amplified brand trust during the darkest periods and provided real-world feedback loops that Tesla used to refine products and services. Together, grit, innovation, and evangelism created a tipping point. Production stabilized, costs fell, and what once seemed impossible became Toyota-like reliability at far higher margins of technological ambition. Tesla's journey is a reminder that scaling breakthroughs depend on stubborn execution, creative reimagining of processes, and a community that believes enough to spread the story. In that convergence lies the recipe for turning production hell into sustainable momentum.